Rabies, the silent killer. Rabies, a word that sparks fear, and rightly so. It is a deadly viral disease that affects the central nervous system of mammals, including humans. Once symptoms appear, it is almost always fatal. But what exactly is rabies, and how does it affect us? Rabies is caused by the rabies virus, typically transmitted through the bite or scratch of an infected animal. The virus travels through the nerves to the brain, leading to inflammation and eventually death. According to the World Health Organization, rabies kills nearly 59,000 people every year, mostly in Asia and Africa. But here's the good news. Rabies is 100% preventable. In this documentary, we'll explore what rabies is, how it spreads, how it affects the body, and how we can protect ourselves. Transmission and symptoms. Rabies is most commonly spread through bites from infected animals, dogs being the most frequent culprits. The virus enters the body through broken skin or mucous membranes. Once inside, it travels through the nerves, slowly moving toward the brain. This journey can take weeks or even months, depending on the bite location. Early symptoms of rabies include fever, headache, fatigue, tingling or burning at the bite site. As the disease progresses, more serious symptoms appear: anxiety and confusion, hallucinations, fear of water, hydrophobia. Paralysis. Once these signs show up, death is almost inevitable. Rabies in animals. The silent threat. Rabies doesn't just affect humans. It's found in over 150 countries, infecting wildlife, pets, and livestock. The most common carriers include dogs, bats, foxes, raccoons, skunks. In urban areas, stray dogs are the primary source. In rural or forested regions, wild animals can be the hidden threat. Infected animals often behave strangely, either aggressively or unusually tame. These signs are a red flag. Prevention and vaccination. Rabies is deadly, but it is 100% preventable with timely action. The first line of defense? Vaccination. People working with animals should get pre-exposure vaccines. Pets should be vaccinated regularly. In case of a bite, post-exposure prophylaxis, PEP, must be started immediately. The PEP treatment includes cleaning the wound thoroughly, a series of anti-rabies injections. Global fight against rabies. Around the world, communities are fighting back against rabies. From India to Africa, mass vaccination campaigns, public awareness, and better health services are saving lives. But challenges remain: lack of resources, unreported bites, and misinformation. Together, we can eliminate rabies. All it takes is awareness, responsibility, and action. Rabies can be stopped. Let's be the generation that ends it.